a single machine. 80 seconds, 1,000 car bodies, every single day. No welding robots, no stamping lines, no 100-year-old assembly logic. Just molten aluminum, extreme pressure, and 80 seconds later, a complete vehicle structure exists where nothing was before. Ford spent a century perfecting the assembly line. Tesla just made it irrelevant. This is Giga Press 4.0. And what's happening inside Giga, Texas right now is unlike anything the auto industry has ever seen. To understand why Giga Press 4.0 is such a seismic event, you first need to understand what it replaced. For over a century, building a car body meant stamping. Hundreds of individual steel panels, cut and shaped separately, then welded together by armies of robotic arms across a factory floor the size of several football fields. The underbody of a standard vehicle alone required more than 70 individual stamped steel components. Each one had to be manufactured, transported, inventoried, and then precisely welded. Over 370 weld points just for that single section of the car. It worked, but it was never elegant. It was a system built on complexity layered over complexity. The moment one supplier missed a shipment, one weld failed quality inspection, or one robot in the chain went offline, the entire production line slowed down or stopped. Ford, GM, Toyota, they all built their empires on this same fragile architecture, and they optimized it as far as physics and logistics would allow. Then Tesla asked a different question. Not, how do we weld faster, but, what if we didn't weld at all? The answer started with the original Giga Press. A high-pressure die casting machine that replaced those 70 stamped components with a single cast aluminum structure. It was revolutionary. The industry called it impressive. Some called it reckless. That was version 1. GigaPress 4.0 is something else entirely. The leap from previous generations to 4.0 is not incremental. Tesla's own engineers describe it as a fourfold jump in manufacturing performance, and when you look at the numbers, that claim holds up. Previous GigaPress generations, operating between 6,000 and 9,000 tons of clamping force, already consolidated that 70-component underbody into a single rear casting. Impressive, but GigaPress 4.0 goes further. It casts the entire underbody, front, rear, and complex hollow box structural sections in a single cycle lasting just 80 to 90 seconds. How? 3 technologies working in combination. First, 3D printed sand cores. These allow the mold to form hollow internal geometries that were previously impossible with conventional tooling. The result is a structure that is lighter, stronger, and more complex than anything achievable through traditional stamping. Second, a governed fluid dynamics. Molten aluminum enters the mold at injection velocities up to 10 meters per second. At that speed, controlling how the alloy flows, fills every cavity, and solidifies without creating microstructural defects is extraordinarily difficult. Tesla's AI systems monitor and adjust these parameters in real time, preventing the kind of internal voids and inconsistencies that would make a casting structurally unreliable. Third, accelerated vacuum evacuation. Before the aluminum is injected, air must be pulled out of the mold cavity almost instantly. Any trapped gas creates porosity, invisible internal bubbles that weaken the final structure. GigaPress 4.0 executes this step 4 times faster than previous generations. The combined effect is staggering. Where a traditional body shop requires over 300 welding robots operating across several hours to assemble a vehicle underbody, GigaPress 4.0 produces nearly 1,000 completed casting modules per day from a dramatically smaller factory footprint. Output per square meter of factory floor increases by 400%. That is not optimization. That is a different category of manufacturing entirely. GigaPress 4.0 does not operate in isolation. It is the foundation of something Tesla calls the unboxed process. And this is where the manufacturing story becomes a product strategy story. Traditional automotive assembly follows a linear sequence. A steel body shell moves down a conveyor line in one direction. Workers and robots install components in a fixed order, often requiring people to reach into tight, awkward spaces to attach parts deep inside the vehicle structure. The process is slow, constrained, and expensive to change. The unboxed process breaks that logic entirely. Instead of one sequential line, the vehicle is divided into 6 independent structural modules: front underbody, rear underbody, left side, right side, battery floor, and interior, each built simultaneously in parallel. These modules are then brought together for final assembly, with robotics handling the joining process in open space rather than inside a half-finished shell. Giga Press 4.0 enables this by producing a monolithic underbody that immediately accepts the structural battery pack and completes seat assembly via automated robotics, with no spatial constraints whatsoever. The financial outcome of this combination is measurable and significant. A 50% reduction in direct manufacturing costs, a 40% reduction in factory footprint, a 25% acceleration in assembly speed, a 40% reduction in manual labor requirements. These are not projections. These are operational figures from Tesla's production data. This cost structure is what makes the rumored $30,000 Model 2 and the autonomous Cybercab with 500 kilometers of range financially viable. Not as loss leader products, but as vehicles that actually generate meaningful margin at that price point. Here is where the story deepens, and where the competitive gap becomes almost impossible to close. Many traditional automakers have already recognized that high-pressure die casting is the future of vehicle body manufacturing. Several have begun purchasing large casting machines from suppliers like LK Machinery and Idra. The assumption is straightforward: buy the same equipment, run the same process, close the gap. That assumption is wrong, and the reason comes down to one thing: material science. Tesla's proprietary aluminum alloy formula is not available on the open market. This material must survive what engineers call thermal violence, transitioning from a molten state at 850 degrees Celsius down to extraction temperature at 400 degrees, then immediately quenched with cold water to 50 degrees. All of this happens in under 2 minutes, repeatedly, thousands of times per day. Conventional aluminum alloys crack, warp, or develop internal stress fractures under these conditions. Tesla's alloy does not, but the deeper innovation is in the tooling itself. Tesla recently filed a patent for a family of 3D printable steel alloys specifically engineered for Giga Press molds. This is significant because the biggest limitation in high-speed die casting is not the machine. It is how efficiently heat can be removed from the mold between cycles. Traditional casting tools use straight drilled cooling channels. These work for simple geometries but struggle to reach complex internal regions in large structural castings. The result is localized hotspots, uneven solidification, increased thermal stress, and premature tool degradation. Tesla's solution uses conformal cooling channels, curved pathways created through metal additive manufacturing that follow the exact contours of the casting surface. Heat is extracted uniformly, hotspots are eliminated, and the mold operates at a more consistent temperature throughout every cycle. The projected impact: a reduction in cycle time of 10 to 15 seconds per casting. Over a full production day, that translates to an additional 120 to 250 castings from a single machine, without building a new factory. Tesla is not just buying better equipment. It is engineering the tools that build the tools. The financial consequences of all this for legacy automakers are direct and quantifiable. A traditional stamped steel underbody costs approximately $2.50 per pound of material. Tesla's cast aluminum structure brings that figure down to 75 cents per pound, a 70% reduction in raw material expenditure, built structurally into every single vehicle produced. Standard stamped steel chassis develops stress fractures after approximately 150,000 miles under normal operating loads. Tesla's cast aluminum structures are engineered to maintain structural integrity past 250,000 miles under significantly higher stress conditions, a 66% expansion in vehicle lifespan. Fleet data confirms an industry-leading 98.7% structural uptime compared to the 92% legacy average. Legacy automakers face a 3 to 5 year development delay and hundreds of millions in capital expenditure just to begin replicating what Tesla is already running at scale today. Gigapress 4.0 is not a manufacturing upgrade. It is a redefinition of what a car factory can be and what a car can cost to build. The machine is already running. The castings are already shipping. The gap is already widening. The question is no longer whether the industry will have to change. It is whether any of them can change fast enough.